And fractions. Example of fraction, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. But there are fractions that are bigger, but you could reduce that to lowest term. Example, we have 5/10. Now, 5/10. 5/10, this is the numerator and denominator divisible by 5. This can be divided by 5. This can be divided by 5. When you are going to reduce, you are going to think of a number, greatest common factor that would divide the numerator and the denominator. We call that greatest common factor. So, I am going to use 5. 5 divided 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, 5/10 is just 1/2. 1/2 and 5/10, they are equal. Okay, another example. I will give you 4/6. What's the greatest common factor of 4 and 6? I am going to choose 2. This is divisible by 2, divisible by 2. If you're going to think of 3, this is divisible by 3, but this one cannot be divided by 3. So, it's 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, this one is the lowest term. Another example, mga bigger number. I will give you 12/18. Okay. What do you think is the greatest common factor? The number that we can divide is, the number 12 can be divided by that number. 10 can be divided by that number. We call that greatest common factor. I will use 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. And that is 2/3 then. Okay? Another example. 50 divided by 70. Okay. What do you think is the number, greatest common factor that the numerator will be divided by that number and 70 can be divided that number? So, I am going to use 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. 70 divided by 10 is 7. Simple. This is simple. What do you mean by lowest term? Changing this number to its simplest form. That is reduction of fraction to lowest term. Now, I immediately go to reduction because even in elementary, high school, college, reduction to lowest term is always there. So, I had to start. I did not mind other topics for fraction. I immediately go to reduction to lowest term because this might be overlooked by other teachers. So, this one can be of great help to students who find it difficult to reduce the fraction to lowest term. Okay, after reduction of fraction to lowest term, I might as well give you the equivalent fraction. Example number 1. 1/2 is equal to 2/4. So that they have their view or idea of students why 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. Now this is 1/2 and 1/2. Now the shaded region is 1/2. Look for the second graph. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1/4, another 1/4, another 1/4, another 1/4. I have to shade the 2/4. Look, they're equal. See? And the second one is 3/4 or 3/4 over equal 6/8. This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. The shaded region is 3/4. Now we have here the second one, 6/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. I will take 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, they are just the same. So the 3/4 and 6/8 are just equivalent fraction. So with number 3, 1/4 equals 2/8. This is 1/4. The shaded region is 1/4. This is 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1 to 2 parts of this is equivalent to 1/4. So that's the answer. That's the explanation why 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. And 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. That's all.